Welcome to Understand All. I'm your host, Aslakir Gerleaf. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore animal intelligence and how it compares to human smarts. What is intelligence anyway? And how can we even measure it across species? Let's dive in. First off, intelligence is often defined as the ability to learn from experiences, solve problems, and adapt to new situations. But for a long time, we humans assumed we were the only truly intelligent creatures. Oh, how wrong we were! Let's look at brain size for a moment. The average human brain weighs about 1,400 grams, while a chimpanzee's brain is around 400 grams, according to the National Institutes of Health. But brain size alone doesn't tell the whole story. It's the brain's relative size that matters more. Humans have a neocortex ratio, that's the neocortex volume compared to the rest of the brain, of about 80%, higher than any other animal, according to a study published in Nature. This matters because the neocortex handles higher-order functions like perception, spatial reasoning, and language. So our extra-large neocortex might explain some of our unique smarts. But don't count other animals out just yet. Dolphins, for example, have a brain-to-body mass ratio second only to humans. And they showcase some seriously complex behaviors, like cooperating to hunt, using tools, and even passing down knowledge across generations, hallmarks of intelligence. Elephants are no slouches in the smarts department either. They have incredible long-term memory, which helps them survive harsh environments by remembering the location of scarce water and food sources across vast distances. According to a report in Scientific American, elephants can even recognize the bones of their deceased family members. Some serious cognitive skills at play there. And let's not forget our avian friends. Crows and ravens routinely stun researchers with their problem-solving abilities. A study in Science found that New Caledonian crows can craft tools, like hooks, to fish for food in hard-to-reach places. And get this, they can plan ahead, saving tools for future use. That's a skill we used to think was uniquely human. Even bird brains like parrots are forcing us to rethink animal intelligence. African gray parrots can learn hundreds of words, make logical inferences, and understand abstract concepts like same and different, putting them on par with 5-year-old humans in some cognitive tasks, according to research from Harvard. So how do we measure animal intelligence when they can't exactly sit down and take an IQ test? Scientists get creative. The mirror test, for example, measures self-awareness. An animal is marked with paint or a sticker, and then shown a mirror. If they touch the mark on their own body, it suggests they recognize themselves, a sign of higher cognition. Humans, great apes, dolphins, elephants, and even some birds like magpies can pass this test, according to a study in PLOS Biology. Pretty mind-blowing. Another approach is the marshmallow test, a measure of delayed gratification. A treat is placed in front of an animal. If they resist gobbling it up right away in order to earn a bigger reward later, it demonstrates impulse control and future planning. Chimpanzees, crows, and some parrots can match or even outperform human kids on this test. But here's the thing. Animals often have cognitive abilities perfectly tailored to their environment and survival needs. They may not ace human-centric intelligence tests, but their minds are amazing adaptations nonetheless. Octopuses are escape artists, solving mazes and unscrewing jars. Bees can count and communicate through dance. Rats laugh when tickled and show empathy. The list goes on. In many ways, human intelligence is unique. Our language is unmatched in complexity. We plan far into the future, imagining hypothetical scenarios. We ponder our own existence. But the more we learn about the animal minds around us, the blurrier that line becomes. So maybe it's time to rethink what intelligence even means. Not as a single spectrum with humans at the pinnacle, but as a kaleidoscope of cognition, with each species showcasing a unique flavor of mental mastery. By appreciating the diversity of intelligence in nature, we can learn more about the origins and potential of our own remarkable brains. And that, my friends, is the fascinating world of comparative cognition. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the mind, in humans and animals alike, one thing is for sure. We've only scratched the surface of the astonishing abilities all around us. So the next time you look into the eyes of a crow, or watch an octopus open a jar, or even gaze at your own pup, pause and marvel at the incredible minds at work. And remember, when it comes to intelligence, humans may be special, but we're certainly not alone. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the world of animal cognition. I hope you found it as eye-opening and humbling as I do. Until next time, stay curious and never stop wondering about the remarkable minds we share this planet with. I'm Aslakir Gerleaf, and this has been Understand All. See you next time.